Rune Factory. Azuma.
Hey! Just a quick advertisement. Whenever you need a getaway, stop by Kusatsu's Inn and... Out of time already?
Hey, a campfire!
Good night. Morning. Sleep. Wow. Up and at 'em, partner.
Good morning. Hey! What's up? What's up? What do you think? What's up?
Really? Come on. Yeah? Yeah?
Good morning. What? What?
Yay! You can do what? Wow.
Right. What to do? I know! Excited!
Whoa!
What?
Watching a flickering fire makes me feel so sleepy. Why don't we take a little break here? Matsuri!
Hold on. Did you hear that? There he is.
Is that the winter god? Or maybe the man-eater? Yipes!
We'll know when we fight him.
That's gonna hurt! You deserve this!
Victory is mine!
I better try even harder! You deserve this! What a great hit! Look at him concentrate! I'm still standing. Time for some food. time for some food. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I saw that wolf in my dream. He must be the winter god.
And you just beat the hell out of him.
I held back. He'll be fine. I offer these humble words. Great entity which dwells within this beast, may your divine glory...
Move! That wolf must die!
You're the girl from before!
Freeze! Are you okay?
Yeah, but the winter god... I've got to hurry. I offer these humble words. Great entity which dwells within this beast, may your divine glory shine forth and bless us all forevermore!
Yeah! Lightning!
The snow.
Huh?
You have my gratitude, Earth Dancer. I am the gallant shepherd of snowfall, he who guides Azuma's winter and flowing waters. Please, call me Fubuki.
Fubuki, the gallant shepherd. Then you aren't Kamurasaki.
I am not. As a matter of fact, Kamurasaki is...
Go on.
No. I must save that story for another time. Would you please bring out the sacred treasure I entrusted to you? There. I've released its inner power. Now your parasol dance will be far more effective than before. You can call down rain from the heavens to quench the dry earth. And, you can also simply use it as an umbrella, if you like.
Thanks.
I'm sorry to ask another favor of you so soon, but please hear me out. You must save Azuma in my stead. Bring the calm of winter and blessings of water back to the land. I beg you. Thank you. I know I can trust you to do what must be done.
All right.